Imagine a place where ancient history and natural wonders converge, creating an extraordinary spectacle that few have ever witnessed. In 2006, deep in the heart of the remote Socotra Island, one of the most isolated landforms on Earth, a team of botanists discovered a hidden valley teeming with plant species found nowhere else. Dubbed the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean, Socotra captivated the scientific community with its Dracaena cinnamomum, or dragon's blood tree, known for its crimson sap and unique umbrella-like shape. The discovery of such a biodiverse sanctuary not only added to our understanding of Earth's flora but also underscored the island's critical importance as a natural treasure trove, awaiting the curious and the adventurous.